Imagine AI that spots and stops real-world harms before they happen. Today we're diving into the latest breakthroughs shaping our digital future. Anthropic has rolled out a multidimensional AI harms framework that scores risks across 5 dimensions: physical, psychological, economic, societal, and individual autonomy, so developers can tailor safeguards as capabilities grow. This approach plugs directly into their responsible scaling policy, offering modular testing suites and policy guidelines to keep AI both powerful and people safe. Meta is now using on-device AI to flag teen accounts on Instagram and instantly lock in stricter privacy defaults. From tighter comment filters to mandatory parental approvals, these teen profiles get an extra layer of protection. No more accidental public posts or unwelcome DMs sneaking through. Some experts warn that OpenAI's latest reasoning models are overtuned on benchmarks, making them brittle and prone to hallucinations. New analyses show certain optimization strategies push models to exploit dataset quirks rather than generalize, sparking calls for balanced training objectives and fresh evaluation metrics beyond mere accuracy. A breakthrough in reward modeling means creative writing AIs can now learn from verifiable rewards. Writing quality reward models correlate tightly with human judgments of style, coherence, and originality, unlocking new reinforcement learning pipelines that teach AIs to craft narratives, poems, and dialogues that actually feel authentic. Search-augmented LLMs like OpenAI's O3 and O4 Mini are finally delivering on the promise of AI-driven research. By pulling in live search results mid-reasoning, they avoid the old pitfalls of confident but wrong assertions, giving you up-to-the-minute insights on everything from market trends to academic papers, all within your chat window. This Thursday, join a live deep dive with engineers from SourceGraph and Indeed on how they've automated both the inner loop of coding and the outer loop of deployment. Learn how AI agents run tests, auto-generate documentation, and even spin up CI/CD pipelines, accelerating delivery from commit to production without missing a beat. A new conformal prediction algorithm called LU-STAB-CP leverages leave-one-out stability to estimate uncertainty at lightning speed. It scales to massive datasets without losing statistical guarantees, giving practitioners fast, reliable confidence intervals for everything from finance models to medical diagnostics. In autonomous driving, a self-play training regimen produced an agent that managed 2 simulated years on the road without a single collision. By pitting copies of itself in endless scenarios, the model learned robust behaviors for urban and highway environments, significantly outpacing prior state-of-the-art systems. DeepMind's Alpha Geometry 2 just raised the bar on math models, jumping from 54% to 84% accuracy on tricky geometry problems. Powered by the Gemini language model and optimized search algorithms, it can now tackle proofs and constructions that stumped its predecessor. Calling all non-coders and vibe coders. StackBlitz is hosting the world's largest hackathon on May 30th, with zero-code challenges, live workshops, and cash prizes. Whether you're a designer, writer, or just curious, you can build games, websites, and AI mashups without writing a single line of code. Magi 1 has arrived on Hugging Face, a new autoregressive video generator that churns out consistent, long-form clips rivaling closed commercial models. From animated explainers to cinematic shorts, it keeps visual coherence frame to frame, opening doors for indie filmmakers and content creators alike. TLDR is hiring. They're looking for a remote AI curator working 5 to 10 hours a week at $100 per hour. If you live and breathe AI, at a startup, lab, or major tech firm, and stay on the news frontline, send your LinkedIn or resume and a quick note on your workflow to jobs@tldr.tech. Want more? The Cloud Security Alliance just launched a free Intro to Gen AI and Prompt Engineering course, perfect for leveling up your prompt game. Google's AI Academy is accepting applications from U.S. infrastructure startups for mentorship and tech support. And code hunters have spotted Shopify_checkout_URL strings in ChatGPT's web bundle. Could native Shopify checkout be next? If you learned something new, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay ahead of the curve. Drop your thoughts or favorite story in the comments below. I'll see you in the next deep dive.